Hello, am I audible? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
You've got your holiday homework?
No, ma'am.
No.
You haven't got? Uh, okay. Okay, I'll send it to you today. So, we'll continue our topic, voice. Yesterday, we were dealing with the interrogatives, command, advice. Today, we will deal with simple sentences. So, suppose if a sentence is in hello, screen is visible to all
Ye-
of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just a quick revision. We had done this previous year, last year also. Like simple present. So, what is the structure for simple present tense in the passive? Hmm? Subject plus is amr. Because in the passive, you don't change the tense. Tense remains the same plus V3 plus by plus object. Uh, a plumber repairs pipes. So, Aditya Raj, how will you change this
Ma'am,
according to the structure?
pipe is repaired by plumber.
Pipes
Ma'am, may
are repaired. Huh?
Yes, ma'am. Pipes are.
So it is very easy by a plumber. So because it is simple present, you have to use is, am, or are according to the structure. Then present continuous. So if you have present continuous in what is the structure? Subject plus is, am, are plus being. ये कंटिन्यूअस और बीइंग एकदम जुड़ा हुआ है, कहीं भी अगर कंटिन्यूअस टेंस है, सो इफ यू हैव कंटिन्यूअस टेंस means ing form of the verb, then you have to use being plus v3 plus by plus object. So the boy is flying a kite. Flying a kite. How will you change this? Dhruv, you want to answer? Dhruv, you had raised your hand. Dhruv Pandey. Hello.
मैम पिछले वाले के लिए भी
हाँ, पिछले बार. अच्छा,
मैम क्वेश्चन
क्वेश्चन नहीं दिख
क्वेश्चन
रहा है ये. द बॉय इज फ्लाइंग अ काइट.
मैम मैम आई कैन आंसर
Ma'am, may
ओके, भव्या.
Ma'am, may I?
भाव्या.
A kite, a, a kite is being flown by the boy.
ओके, यस, अ काइट. स्क्रीन इज विजिबल. हेलो, ये दिख रहा है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
मैम
ma'am.
Being flown. What is the V3
मैम
of
क्या पढ़ा रही
वॉइस ही कंटिन्यू कर रहे हैं. क्वेश्चंस डील किए थे, अब सिंपल स्टेटमेंट्स. फ्लोन बाय द बॉय. Okay, so if whenever you have to remember, whenever you have the continuous tense, ये बीच में है. Whenever you have the continuous tense, you have to use the word,
Being.
being. Okay, that is clear. के आगे। What is this? ये क्या आ गया? Okay. So we'll continue present perfect. So what is the structure of for present perfect? Subject plus has have plus been plus with plus been plus v3. How will you change this? Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Anuj? Okay. Anuj, the answer sheet that you sent on Snapwork, it is completely blank. Nothing is visible.
What?
Answer sheet.
Ma'am, I will resend it to you.
You resent it to me
Yes,
on
ma'am.
WhatsApp.
Yes, ma'am.
So you send it once again today.
Okay, ma'am.
I don't know. It must have gone down. So you resend it.
Okay, ma'am.
And from the next time you send it on my WhatsApp only. From 2 times I'm facing the same problem. Your answer is okay. So if you have some genuine problem, then you can send it on my WhatsApp. Okay. So how will you change
Okay,
this?
ma'am.
Ma'am, the room has been cleaned by me.
Yes, very good. The room has been cleaned.
Ma'am,
Bolo, Aditya.
ma'am, in structure there is not any object.
You can have sentences without object also, but here you have an object. So the room has been cleaned by me. So present perfect continuous, no passive. Okay. There are some tense for which you don't have any passive. So what you have to remember, with all the continuous tenses, जो भी हमारा continuous tense है, उसके साथ क्या जुड़ा हुआ है? Been. और जो भी perfect tense है, उसके साथ हमेशा क्या लगता है? Been. So these two things you have to remember. That with continuous you have to use be, any continuous. Present continuous है तो भी being, past continuous है तो भी being, बस बीच का word जो है वो अलग हो जाता है. Then with all the perfect tense, has, have, had, you have to use been. So okay. Then for simple past. Simple past structure is subject plus was, were plus v3 plus by plus object. Okay, so we'll take an example. I ate an apple. So change it according to the structure. Who will do it? Structure सामने दिया हुआ है.
Then,
हमने
An apple was
then
eaten by
an
me.
apple
An apple was
was
eaten by me.
eaten by me.
ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले क्या सब्जेक्ट और ऑब्जेक्ट को स्वैप करना है, तो ये हमारा सब्जेक्ट बन जाएगा एन एप्पल. an apple. So first of all, we have to swap our subjects, interchange. So an apple, then was, apple is singular, then V3, ate, eaten by me. So very simple. Huh? An apple was eaten by me. Okay, then past continuous. How will you change this? ये
Ma'am, the field
स्ट्रक्चर को देते हैं. स्ट्रक्चर है सब्जेक्ट प्लस was word plus being, because it is ing you will use being, plus v3 plus by plus object. So change it according to the structure.
Ma'am, the field,
Ambesh,
the field,
okay. आदित्य आंसर कर रहे हो? आंसर करो. Whoever was
yes, ma'am.
answer. Yes,
The field was
The field
being plugged by farmer.
was being plowed.
Plugged by the farmer.
Plowed by the farmer. So you don't change the tense. So if it is was, the tense is remaining the same. Was being plowed by the farmer. In the direct, indirect, you change the tense. In passive, you don't change the tense. Okay, then you have a present, past perfect. पास्ट परफेक्ट सब्जेक्ट प्लस हैड, और हैड है तो बीन होगा, प्लस v3 प्लस बाय प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. आई so change this. Who will do it?
Can I?
आदित्य. आदित्य तुमने तो आंसर किया है. अविनाश, यू वांट टू ट्राई? अविनाश, हेलो हेलो अविनाश. ओके आदित्य, चलो बनाओ. हाँ, हेलो.
Ma'am, my homework had been completed by 10 p.m.
माय होमवर्क
Had been completed by 10 p.m.
had been completed by 10 p.m. So it's clear. So then past perfect continuous, no passive. Then we come to simple future. Subject plus shall will plus B plus V3. By और ऑब्जेक्ट सब में कॉमन है. So we'll take an example. So according to the structure, come on, structure देखो और बनाओ. अविनाश,
मैम
Avinash, Ayush Kumar. Ayush, you want to try? Ayush Kumar, someone who hasn't answered today.
मैम a match will
और निशु तुम रुको, तुमने आंसर किया है 2-3 आज जिसने.
Ma'am, can I?
Okay, Avinash.
Match shall
Yes,
be played
Avinash.
by tomorrow.
Structure is there in
A
front.
match,
Structure
a
some.
match will be,
Very
a
good.
match will be played by us.
Yes, very good Avinash. Will be played by us. और tomorrow last में जोड़ देंगे.
Yes, ma'am.
So easy. So you just have to remember a few things. A continuous tense use being, perfect tense use been, future use BEB. तो यहाँ फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूअस का पैसिव नहीं होता है. No passive. Okay, then we come to future perfect. Future perfect. So subject, future perfect. Bus Lalwin plus have plus been plus V3 plus by plus object. So how will you change this? यहाँ 2 बार by लगेगा. 1 by for time and 1 by for agent.
Ma'am, can I?
Okay, Tanu.
My my homework will have been completed by me by today.
Yes, very good, Tanu. My homework
Thank you, ma'am.
will have been completed by me by today. Okay. So 1 by for time and 1 by for the agent. So if you see the future perfect, in future perfect, in the structure itself, we use by plus time. When we were studying tense, we saw that in some tenses, without the time expression, the sentence is not complete. Like in the present perfect continuous, without since for, the sentence is not complete. Similarly, in future perfect also, without by and time, the sentence is not complete. So here you have to, in the future perfect, you have to use by 2 times. 1 by for the time and 1 by for the person who has done the work. Okay. Then again for future perfect continuous, no passive. Future perfect continuous, no passive. So now voice is clear to all of you. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
बस दो तीन की पॉइंट्स याद रखना है. आईएनजी है तो बीइंग लगाना है, हैज हैव है तो बी डबल ई एन लगाना है, फ्यूचर है तो बी ई बी लगाना है. So these are the key points that you have to remember. Plus in the passive always use the third form of the verb. This you have to remember. And these are the basic things that you have to remember. And the changing of the subject and the object, interchange, swapping, that you have to remember. So just these 3 or 4 key points you have to remember. Okay. So now 3-4 sentence. Advait, you haven't answered today. Do this one.
I'm answered.
Huh? You have answered. Okay, you answer this one.
Listen me.
Okay.
The plants are being watered by the gardener.
Yes, Advait. Yes, good. The plants are being watered by the gardener. Uh, who will do this? Harsh Raj. Harsh Raj. Harsh
Yes,
Raj,
ma'am.
hear me? Yes, Harsh, you answer this one.
Can I answer?
Ma'am, may I?
किसका था? एक मेल वॉइस था.
Ma'am, me.
आदित्य. ओके आदित्य, आंसर.
Many saplings have been planted by them.
ओके. Okay. Okay. Okay, Pragya and Supriya, I'll give you chance also. You had raised your hand. Pragya, you answer this one. Hello. Hello.
Ma'am, may I?
Okay, Supriya, answer.
Football is being played by the boys.
Football, yes, is being played by the boys. Okay, football is being played by the boys. Okay. Okay. Okay, who will answer?
May I?
Okay, Pragya, now you answer.
Can I?
The room has been swept by the maid.
Okay. Has been. So because it is has, you have to use been. Because it is ing, you have to use being. Okay, been. The room has been swept by the maid. Okay, Anuj, you answer the next one. Anuj Sharan. People speak
Yes,
English
ma'am.
all over the world.
English is being uh,
People
speak by
speak.
people all over the world.
Uh, what is the tense? Tense क्या है इसका? People speak English all over the world.
People speak English all over the world.
Okay, repeat your answer, Anuj. Repeat your answer. Repeated. गलती है, कोई बात नहीं है, सीखना है ना. Don't hesitate. Come on, repeat it. People speak English all over the world. Hello. So here,
English is spoken all
Ma'am,
over
can
the
I?
world.
yes, English is spoken all over the world. By the people, you can add or you can exclude. So it is simple present tense.
Am
So
I
E
audible?
plus V3. यहाँ being यूज नहीं करेंगे. being कब यूज करना है? जब ing होगा. Here you don't have ing, so don't use being. English is spoken all over the world. Here you can skip the agent because it is understood by the people is already understood. So when do we use the passive? When the work is important. Agent is not that important. So here you can skip the agent. Okay.
मैम कैसे बना ये?
हाँ क्या?
मैम कैसे बना?
कैसे? क्या समझ नहीं रहा है, क्या बोलना चाह रहे हो?
मैम आप ये क्वेश्चन कैसे बनाए वो समझ में नहीं आया. आप जब बता रही थी हम डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया था.
ये हम बोल रहे हैं कि तुम बीइंग वर्ड यूज किए. इंग्लिश इज
यस
बीइंग
मैम.
स्पोकन. तो मैंने बोला कि बीइंग यूज नहीं करना है क्योंकि यहाँ आईएनजी नहीं है. You are using being only when you have an ing in the verb. So here you don't have to use being because there is no ing in the verb. Simply is amr plus v3 because it is a sentence in the simple present. People speak English all over the world. So this sentence is in the simple present tense. So what is the structure for simple present? Is amr plus v3. So you have to use English is spoken all over the world. That is what I wanted to tell you. That uh, use being only when there is ing in the verb. Okay. So you'll get your holiday homework today or so.
मैम आ गए हैं.
क्या आ गया है?
यस.
शायद स्नैप होमवर्क पे डाला गया है.
मैम जो तौहीद सर भेजे हैं.
हाँ वही है होमवर्क.
मैम स्लाइड बनाना है. मैम कैसे बनाएंगे?
कैसे बनाओगी?
MS Word.
यस.
पिक्टोरियल प्रेजेंटेशन के तरह वो होता है स्लाइड्स. You can send the holiday homework on the Snapworks itself. Okay. So Anne was watering the plants. इसको नेगेटिव में कैसे बनाएंगे बताओ?
The plants were being watered by Anne.
No, negative.
Anna was not watering the plants.
Yes, it's very simple. ये तो बहुत ज़्यादा simple. देखते हैं कुछ past continuous. Was, were. Okay, so turn these sentences into negative. And watered the plants. How will you change it into negative? Hello? Anyone answer? What happened? Aditya Raj? Aditya?
Yes, ma'am.
How will you
Ma'am,
change?
I can't hear you.
You can't hear. Hello? Hello? My voice is not audible?
Audible, ma'am.
Ma'am, you are audible.
आदित्य को नहीं सुनाई दे तो ये सिंपल पास्ट का कैसे नेगेटिव बनाते हैं?
The plants were
And did
watered
not
by
water the plant.
अब पैसिव से हम लोग कैसे आ गए? डिड नॉट वाटर. So in a negative you use did not plus V1. Okay. My father drove. How will you change this? यही pattern. Did not plus present.
My father did not drive.
Okay. Yes. My father did not. Didn't भी use कर सकते हैं short form. It means the same. Anuj, can you do this one? My aunt lived in this house. Interrogative. Interrogative also the same thing. Did plus present verb. Kaushal Kishore. Kaushal. Kaushal Kishore, can you hear me? Hello. Hello. What happened? Exhausted. All of you have become exhausted or what? None of you are answering. Hello. Hello.
Did my aunt live in
Did
this
my
house?
aunt live in this house?
Yes, so simple. Did my aunt live in this house? So simple past, what do you add? Did not plus V3. Yes, sorry. V1. Did not plus V1. Negative में. So my mother drove the car. Sugandh, can you
Yes, ma'am.
do this one? इसको
Ma'am, who drove the car?
नहीं ये
Ma'am, yes, no question,
Ma'am.
Nana.
no question. Yes, no question.
Ma'am, did my mother drive the car?
Yes. Did my mother drive the car? Okay, they played tennis. Who will do this? Kaushal Kishore, Bhavya, you want to answer? They played tennis.
Yes, ma'am. Did they play tennis? Play.
Yes, did they, this is what you have to be careful to use the present form of the verb. Did they play tennis? All question mark, even I missed. Did they play tennis? Okay. We listened music.
We did
We
not
did
listen.
not listen music.
Okay. We did not listen music. So in the simple past, we make negative by adding did not plus the present form of the verb. This is very important to remember. Confuse हो जाते हैं हम कि past है तो past ही use करेंगे. हाँ, तो you have to remember that once you use this word did not, the sentence has become past. So uh, you have to use the verb in the present form, both in the negative as well as the question. Okay. Okay. बाकी तो okay. And waters the plants. What do you how do you make the negative in the simple present?
Doesn't water the plants.
Do, does plus not plus v1. Okay. We listen to music. Who will answer? Participants are leaving. Why? Kaushal, Kishore. Kaushal, what happened today? Earlier you used to answer some questions. कम से कम जो आंसर करते हैं वो तो कंटिन्यू रखो. कुछ लोग तो आंसर करते ही नहीं है.